Hi and welcome back to another video. And many people ask me, what is with this car here? That's my race car. It's not in Subi. I drive with this race car. We in Germany say it's slalom. That is races you have to drive through a parcours so fast as possible, and it makes a lot of fun, and you need exactly a car like this, small, good power. The map that we call in Germany Wagenpass, car pass. The car is model year 95. The car weighed something about 750 kilos at this time, but now it is much lighter, as 680 and 120 horsepower. Oh, I really love this car, it looks so nice. That are the owners of this car, only 2 people. And here you see the race history of the car. I think somewhere I see a 24 hours Nürburgring. Wait. 98, 24 hours Nürburgring. Erfüllt. That's cool. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope we see you in the next video. Bye bye, ciao.